Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to make your own DIY coconut whipped cream. That is great to use for the hair and also for the skin. And as many of you know, coconut milk has a lot of hair and skin benefits as well. So let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is the fresh coconut milk that was extracted from the coconut. By the way, y'all can use coconut milk from the can too if you don't have this, because I've seen some people use it as well. But I prefer using this because I find it more effective and it's a lot cheaper and fresh. So now I'm going to put it in this container right here to separate the liquid or the water from the coconut curd or the cream, which is the part that we're actually going to be using. So I will leave that in there for 2 to 3 hours, and once you finally see it separating like this, I will go ahead and put it on the freezer for an hour to help solidify the coconut cream so that it will be easier for me to separate or harvest it from the liquid or the water part. Right, so after an hour it would look like this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it and just get this part right here. Now I call this the coconut cream iceberg. Now, alright, once I got everything, I'm gonna go ahead and dispose this water because we don't need this anymore. Alright, now from here you can go ahead and use it directly on your scalp and hair. But however, if you want to use it in a whip form, all you have to do, of course, is to kind of like break them apart into small pieces like this, just so that your mixer won't struggle, and then go ahead and mix it until you get into this consistency right here. Now, if you notice that there's still water or liquid coming out, go ahead and just gather the coconut cream, just like what I'm doing here, and then just remove this excess liquid right here. And then mix it for 5 more minutes until you get into this beautiful, smooth texture right here. And this, by the way, smells so good and it looks super tasty. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer this into a container. This is what it looks like right here. This coconut cream is such a great addition to any of your DIY hair masks or body butters. Now I personally love using this cold and in a cube form when it comes to my skin, just because it's way easier to apply it and it's less messy versus using the whip form. And I really like using this on my skin to moisturize it, and also I like the fact that it makes your skin feel butter soft after you use it. And I particularly like using this on my arms, on my elbows, my knees, and my legs. And also it can make your skin look glowing as well. Okay, so for the hair, I like to put the whipped coconut cream on the fridge before using it for, as I've said, easy application. So I like applying this all over my hair, and I avoid using this on my scalp sometimes if I feel like my scalp is oily. But however, if your scalp is dry, this is great to use. Now I like leaving it on my hair for 10 minutes and then wash it off with my shampoo. And this is the result. Not only does this encourage hair growth, but it also helps moisturize your hair, prevent dry hair, split ends, flaky scalp, and dandruff. So this is exactly why I like using this on my hair, and I know it can be time consuming to make it, but it's totally worth it. And by the way, you can always store the leftover in the fridge and then just use it again. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video. And also let me know in the comments down below if you want a DIY hair mask recipe using that coconut whipped cream, because I've been using it on my hair and I've seen great results as well. And as usual, if you all found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friend. If you found this content valuable, I'll see you on my next one. Bye!